SUMIFS function in Excel. Please watch the SUMIF function video. Before watch this video, link given in the description. This is the table of total sales detail. Example: if consider, first row, white color shirt, 105 numbers sold, in region A. One shirt $20, therefore total sale, $2,100. Question is, calculate the total sales of shirts, in region B. Doesn't matter, it is white or brown. The answer is $3,220. Now let us see the answer by Excel function. Here need to analysis, more than one criteria, and summation. Therefore using SUMIFS function, instead of SUMIF function. Once again, question is, total sales of shirt, in region B. This question has two criteria. First criteria is, shirt, second criteria is, region B, that is B. Therefore, we use, SUMIFS function, instead of SUMIF function. Let us see the, components, or arguments of, SUMIFS function. First one, is sum range. Actually, that is the, answer range. This is, the, sum range. Second component, is criteria 1 range. Criteria 1 is, shirt. Therefore, this is the range. Next is criteria 1, that is shirt. Next component, criteria 2 range. Criteria 2, is region B. Therefore, this is the range. Last argument is, criteria 2, that is region B. Now, try the function in Excel. Select the sum range. Select the criteria 1 range, that is shirt. Select the criteria 1. That is, select any of the shirt cell. Select the criteria 2 range. Select criteria 2. That is any of B cell. Enter and get the answer. It is better, input criteria 1, and criteria 2, by, double quotation mark, instead of, select the cell. Careful and remember. In SUMIF function, sum range, at the last. In SUMIFS function it is in first. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.